Welcome to a rough guide to creating a web page in GitHub. For starters, we need to create the files for the web page, and Visual Studio Code is our program. This is basically the index page that I've created. It's an HTML page with an H1 tag, TJ's portfolio, and an image source, which leads us to the other file that I'll be working with today. And after you've created that, I've got this little folder over here with my index file and the photo I'm going to use. And I'm ready to go to GitHub. GitHub.com. Now, the first thing to do, of course, is create your account. On the upper hand right, you've got your sign up button or your sign in button. I will use my sign in button. Oops, I used the wrong finger. That's not going to work. And here we go. The first thing we want to do is create a repository to put our files into. And on this home page of your account, on the upper left part of the screen, you see the repositories and you see the green New button. And click on that baby. And it's going to give you a window to fill with the name you want to give the repository. I kind of think it's neat that they, or cute, that they offer you up a memorable and short repository name. Here's the one that they are offering me now, Cuddly Octo Giggle. So I'll use that for sure. And the description is, let's see, good description for this. My files for a practice repo project. And sure, public, anybody can see this. And now down at the bottom, I've got another green button to create the repository. Click that. Now on this page, I just want to focus on the quick setup, and you'll see this sub headline here, get started by creating a new file or uploading an existing file. I'm going to click uploading an existing file because I built those files with Visual Studio Code. If you click that link, you get this drag and drop window, or I can choose the file. So I'm going to choose them. Oh, look, here we are. 1, 2, 3. I created a README page too, just because it suggested to. Taking all 3 of those files and uploading them. Now, here's the key. A key is down near the bottom of the screen is a commit changes green button. And this is what will commit your files to a version. And here we are. My username is 800run, and the repository, Cuddly Octo Giggle, is now complete with an index file, a photograph, and a README file. And that is it.